Hi, Dr. Claire here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about itchy, mucky ears in cats. Ear problems in cats is really common, and it's something that a lot of owners tend to ignore or perhaps not realize it's going on, which is a bit sad really, because it is quite a painful and uncomfortable condition for them. Today I'd like to share with you some common problems that we see in cats' ears and what you can do about them. Firstly, I think it's really important to understand what a healthy cat's ear looks like. Healthy ear canals are clean, they're pink in color, there's minimal amount of wax or none at all, and there's no smell. When your cat has an ear infection, it's often quite uncomfortable for them. So they'll often be pawing at their ears, they'll be sensitive to their owner's touch, and maybe shy away if you try to touch their ears. They might be a bit smelly and have a waxy discharge, which can be creamy, brown or black, or sometimes orange. In the really severe cases, we see loss of hearing, a slight head tilt, and even imbalance and wobbliness. The most common causes of ear infection in cats is from mites, bacteria, and yeast. Ear mites are tiny crab-like parasites that invade the outer ear and the ear canals. There are many types of ear mites, but the most common one we see in cats is called Otodectes cyanotus. These little parasites are so tiny that you usually need a microscope to see them, and they're very irritating for your cat. A mite infestation might be so bad that it causes your cat to scratch until they bleed, and in that case we see little sores all over the ears. An effective anti-parasite treatment is essential in these cases. Ear infections involving bacteria and yeast are probably the next most common, and if they are left untreated, it can progress to deafness and surgery. Some ear infections are resistant to common antibiotics. These are known as superbugs. And if your vet is suspicious that your cat might have one of these, they will recommend a test called a culture and sensitivity. This is a great way to make sure your treatment works the first time round. There are other causes of ear problems in cats. These include things like allergies, polyps, cancers, and even immune-mediated diseases and drug reactions. It's important to have a vet with you every step of the way in treating ear infections, because in some cases they can be a very difficult thing to get on top of. I hope that's helpful. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.